Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with a beautiful 1958 Volkswagen convertible. And back in the day, the convertibles were built by the Karmann Conversion Company with the Volkswagen components. And it has the Karmann logo right here on the side. Karmann convertible. This is a beautiful restoration. We've got most all the receipts. The paint is excellent. A lot of the glass is original. It has the secret stamp on it. The door panels are very well done. The dash looks excellent. It's got the Blaupunk radio showing 38,000 miles. The headliner is beautiful, and that's what makes these convertibles so special. They actually had a headliner. It was really craftsmanship for an inexpensive car back in the day. It's powered by a 1.9, almost 1.2 liter Volkswagen engine. It really runs good. The transmission shifts smooth. And these cabriolets were well-made cars back in the day. And what's really distinctive, well, I'm going to show you some of the detail on the restoration, all the little grommets, the nuts, the bolts, the gaskets on the handle. I mean, this car is just really very, very well done, professionally done. I love the color. And like I said, we got receipts, all the latches, the handles. The motor was restored to correct specifications. And to me, what's cool about this are the tail lights, the license plate light, and that oval rear window. It sets it apart from so many of the early Volkswagens. This one's an early Volkswagen. It's got the wide white wall tires, the correct hubcaps, all the trim and metal. If it wasn't replated, it was polished to perfection. The running boards are in great shape. The pockets are perfectly restored. No sagging or binding. The top is in amazing condition. I'm sure it's all been redone. It'll probably be on those receipts. But we're going to offer this on Bring a Trailer, and it's going to sell for no reserve. So the last bidder will own the car. Just going to walk around it a little bit more. I mean, as nice as you think it could be when you see it in person, it's really even better. Just a really great example of a 1958 Karmann converted Volkswagen convertible. And I believe that the motor put out something like, and I might be wrong, 35 horsepower. But it goes down the road really nice. It's tight, there's no rattles. It's still on the original 6-volt system. The fuel gauge is low, but on a Volkswagen you can go a long ways on that fuel. I'm gonna turn the lights on. But if you want one of the best oval window convertibles on the planet, I really think this is absolutely the one. But good luck with your bids on Bring a Trailer. Somebody's going to get a really special Volkswagen Cabriolet. And when you get it, you can have a big smile on your face. If you're a Volkswagen collector, this is one that you want to own. It's really museum quality. And I'll have some pictures under the front bonnet. I believe it's got a lock on it from the inside. I've just got to figure that out. And we'll have a couple, probably 2 or 3 more videos on this car. So stay tuned. Good luck with your bids. And let's just see who takes this beauty home. I'm Bronco Bob. Excuse me. Wishing you happy trails.